I literally don't have many words, to be honest. I'm really happy. I mean, the whole squad put in hell of a shift today. I mean, to beat Cardiff Met the first game of the season off the back of quite a tough Champions League campaign, you know, is credit to all of us. And I think, you know, we all work super hard. So just delighted to come away for the 3 points.
Oedd y gêm agos yn y hanner cyntaf, ond ie, gol wic gan Katie. Na beth o'n hi'n gallu wneud, gemau fel hyn, oedd e'n cywewyr agorchor i ni. Ie, oedd e'n agos yn y cyntaf, ond mewn yn ail hanner, o'n ni'n tîm o'r gorau mewn y gêm. A ie, o'n ni'n hapus mor i dechrau tymor fel y gêm fel hyn.
Feels a bit like deja vu. I think the same thing happened at the end of last season, start of last season, and yeah, we're here again. But to me, this game doesn't mean anything. It doesn't outline our season in any way. It doesn't put us in a bad place. I think it shows us more than anything, okay, what we need to work on moving forward. And yeah, they just had 2 moments in the game today. We created a lot. We unfortunately didn't score. I'm not convinced it was on offside, and there's some difficult moments in that game. They had 2 and they took 2, and for me, that's all it comes down to today.